Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Sydney.
I'm Olivia.
And today we're going to be showing you different, healthy, quick and easy breakfast foods that you can do very fast in under about 6 minutes.
So, they're, for the most part, no bake. One of them, you have to use the stove. But, I mean...
Yeah, and that's my favorite.
Yeah. Alright, let's get into the video.
Hey guys, for this one, we are making oats and honey balls. All we're doing right now is just adding 1 cup of oats, and now we are just adding 1/2 a cup of almond butter, and then 1 tablespoon of honey, and then we're going to be adding in some dark chocolate chips. If you do not like dark chocolate, you do not have to add it. We just have a sweet tooth, and it's just healthier than milk and white chocolate. So I just suggest if you use a chocolate, use dark. And now we're just doing in a few of them. And then I suggest using a bigger bowl like this one right here, because it was a lot easier to mix in and did not get all over the counter when we mixed it. And it was hard to mix with the spoon, so I just suggest digging in with your hands and just rolling it up into balls like we did in just a second. And I suggest sticking in there for about an hour would be a great, or even more would be the best. If you do it the night before and leave it for in the morning, that's amazing. It would be very cold and very delicious. Now she's just rolling it up into balls, and we stuck it in there for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and they were still very delicious. Very filling, actually. Just the ball was very filling. And this was one of my favorites. It wasn't my top, but it was one of mine. So for this breakfast food, all we have is the pita bread, the banana and almond butter. You can add the dark chocolate, but if you don't want it, you don't have to put on there. You can always add granola or honey. So I took my pita and I'm rubbing on the almond butter, and now I'm just cutting up the banana onto the pita bread and put a few dark chocolate chips. And if you want to, you can stick it in the microwave for about 15 seconds to just warm it up before you get ready and go. And right now we are just trying it, and it's one of my favorites, to be honest. I mean, it's really filling for lunch, like to lunch. So I hope y'all use this one and enjoy it. So for this breakfast food, we are going to be making a smoothie. The ingredients are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, banana, and almond milk. So all of these ingredients were stored in the freezer the night before, and if you're headed to work or school or somewhere that you need to rush off, it's better if you just grab all your fruits the night before and just stick them in one little baggie and stick them in the freezer, so when you wake up that morning, you're not rushing around pulling all this out. You can just get one little baggie, put it in the blender, put some almond milk in there, and you're ready to go. So right now I'm pouring in the raspberries, and I poured in a little bit extra so I could really get the raspberry taste. If you like raspberries like me, please give this a thumbs up. We can be raspberries buddies. But other than the almond milk. You can use orange juice or water, just anything to make it blend better. My choice is usually orange juice because it just gives it that little extra fruity taste. But me and Olivia, we decided to use almond milk for this one, and it was still very good. Always remember with almond milk, right when you open it, you need to, or before you open it, you need to shake it well, because I'm not really sure, they always just say that, and I forgot to that time, so I had to close it back up and shake it. The amount of almond milk you need is, I just poured in a little so it could blend well. A little bit more would be the best so it can just get that smoothness with the blender. And I just stuck it on the blender, and that was pretty much it. And now we're trying it, and honestly, it was delicious. So for this last one, we did banana pancakes, and this is my favorite. All you need is a banana, as we're sticking in right now, 1 egg, some cottage cheese, and some oats. You do not have to use the cottage cheese. It just makes it easier to flip because it's a lot thicker. And now we are putting in the cottage cheese, and this makes about 5 pancakes. If you want more, just double it and it will make 10. And but these are very filling. After 2 pancakes, I am very full and can last up to lunch. So now, if you want, you can add more. Just like me, I like a little bit extra taste, so I like to add cinnamon and vanilla extract in mine. If you do not like cinnamon or vanilla extract, do not add that, just because I did. But this is a vanilla extract, and if you want blueberries in yours, that is also yummy. So just put a little blueberries after you put it on the pan, and that'll be delicious. So a little goes a long way for vanilla extract, so just put a little in and you can taste it in all 5 of your pancakes. And then I just poured the oats in, the 1 cup, and now we're just blending it up to make a smooth batter. And we're just spraying the pan so it does not stick. And we put it on about 8 if you have a stove like ours. We're just pouring it on, and as you can see, it's a lot thicker than if you just use a banana and egg. Then that's a lot more runny. And that one's a little messed up. As you can see, I did not pour it right on top of each other. But they all turned out delicious. And I recommend this for any people that love bananas, because you can really taste it in there. And they were very easy to flip. As you can see now, the pan was just sliding. This makes me hungry just watching it over again. So now they are all done and very delicious. I enjoy them greatly, so I hope y'all use all of these and enjoy them all.
Thanks for
sticking around for the whole video, and I hope y'all use all of those that were in the video.
Comment down below which one was your favorite, if you have any other ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
All down below.
Have a great day.
Remember to smile.
Bye.